So now it's time to go for the demo. I hope you all are ready for the demo. So as we have discussed, now we are in the theory. Now we are going to install the PostgreSQL 13, and here we are using the latest Oracle Linux 8. So I'm going to guide you how you can perform the installation of PostgreSQL 13 over the Oracle Linux 8 server. So before going to do any major changes or anything, first you need to install the official PostgreSQL repository to your Oracle Linux machine. And for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open into my notepad. Okay, or alternate method, directly I can share you the screen. That will be the also a good option. Let me go for this. So this is my terminal sessions, similar like a putty, and we are using the MobiX for that. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to download a repository from the download postgresql.org. It will take a couple of minutes. And in this repository, we have used Oracle Linux 8 machine. Accordingly, you can choose depend on your version which you are installing. Like here, you can see I have used EL8, so you can use the EL7 or 6, wherever you want to install, which is the supported version accordingly. So it will take a couple of minutes. And it asks you the installations and the size you can see. So I'm okay with that. I'm accepting. You all can do like the same way. So PDDG, Red Hat repo, we have downloaded. Of course, Oracle Linux, there is nothing like a separate. So it is exactly the same what you are using onto your. Now let me go to the repository file which is created. And for that, what I'm going to use, just checking this. So this is my repository file which is created. Okay. And so if you want, you can use your repo list as well. So it depends on your use. If I can see my repo list, so you can see this is the latest version which we need. You're getting the point? So for CentOS or Red Hat or Oracle Linux, those all are like a similar way. So here we are going to use this repo list for my installation. Now, before going to installation, let me disable the PostgreSQL app stream repository, which is not required for Oracle Linux 8. Let me disable it. Now let me try to search my PostgreSQL 13 package on Oracle Linux. Good. So now we are ready to install the PostgreSQL 13 server and the client on Oracle Linux system. And for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just like the similar way what you are doing into the earlier release, putting the install. So I'm just installing it, sudo dnf install. And what I'm installing, you here you can see PostgreSQL 13 and PostgreSQL 13 server. So client and server both I'm installing. Thirteen and server and all the library dependent. It asks me, yes, I want to install it. So I've given the installation because I have accepted the installation. It will take the few minutes. Ensure that your CP key is imported. So yes. Now installing the server, Postgres. Good. So my installation is completed. What about the other participant? Okay, we have to wait. No problem. Yeah. So I'm pinging for everyone in the chat. The link, another thing, you can just use from there. Try with the putty connections instead of directly log into the server because you are using on cloud machine. So choose properly. So now your Postgres has installed. Let me configure and start my PostgreSQL 13. And for that, we need to run database configuration script. So we are just going for installing the Postgres. I will wait for a couple of minutes as you requested. And once everyone is ready, please raise your hand. Yeah. So now I'm just going to initialize my Postgres. So here you can see I'm initializing my database, and the message you got, the installation database is okay. As you know, whenever you install the Postgres, you have to start and enable the database service. So now I'm going to enable. So sudo, yes, it's not needed because I'm directly connected with the root user. Because you all have not connected with root, that's why I'm using the sudo. You have the permission for the sudo. Okay. So now installation has completed, and it's time to check the my service status, and I hope it is running fine. Let me check it. System status PostgreSQL 13. So now if you can notice, it is a running mode. Are you getting the point? So my service is active and it's in running. Okay. So that's for the MySQL installation. Now let me connect to the my database and show you that how it work for you. And that's about the Postgres installation you can do. You can able to use the sudo, and then you can able to log in or directly you can run to the Postgres, both will work fine. So now it is asking the password. Just give your password. Now I have to connect to the Postgres. I have connected to Postgres. And of course, you can change the Postgres password depend on your need, similar like the any Linux user you are doing. And let me check the version of Postgres. So here you can see we have installed Postgres 13.1, which is working fine on my machine. And then you're good to that. You can exit or you can quit. Those all can be possible, depending on business need. Now let me check my database. What we have in Postgres. So these are the default database which is installed onto the Postgres. Postgres 10 template 0 and template 1, similar like the other database you have. These are system defined database. If you want to connect the database /c and you can able to connect to the particular database, those all things you are able to do as per your business need. So I hope you all have installed. If not, please install it before we are going to the another module. So 10 minutes is okay. We can wait for 10 minutes and you all have to complete. Once you're done, please ping me. Okay, good.